Ukraine crisis, air defense failure, suspected Russian agents, preparation for major attacks. Challenges for President Volodymyr Zelensky are showing no signs of easing. Ukraine is currently facing a severe defensive crisis. The country's air defense systems have not only become extremely limited, but the systems that still exist are also failing to operate effectively. Over the past few days, sudden and mysterious malfunctions have been reported in air defense systems across multiple Ukrainian cities. Investigations have revealed that Ukraine's air defense was deliberately sabotaged. Following this alarming discovery, concerns about the presence of Russian agents within the Ukrainian military have intensified. President Zelensky has immediately ordered a comprehensive internal review and re-verification within the armed forces. Russian bomber flights trigger fear across Ukraine. On Saturday, Russia's deadly Tu-160 strategic bombers were seen moving onto runways, followed shortly by two 95 MS bombers taking off into the skies. The thunderous roar of these massive aircraft spread fear across Ukraine. Air raid sirens began blaring in multiple cities, forcing civilians to rush toward shelters to save their lives. Moments later, a barrage of missiles was launched toward Ukraine. Radar systems disabled, air defense completely paralyzed. During these attacks, an unexpected and deeply concerning situation emerged. Ukraine's radar systems suddenly went offline. Air defense missiles failed to launch, and the entire interception system became paralyzed. As a result, Russian missile strikes continued to hit their targets successfully, with powerful explosions reported across various regions of Ukraine. Odesa once again came under Russian attack. Over 120 Russian drones deliver a crushing blow to air defense. To completely overwhelm Ukraine's air defense, Russia launched more than 100 drones simultaneously. According to reports, over 120 drones were deployed from 5 different Russian cities. Although Ukraine's air defense remained operational, the sheer number of targets made it impossible to intercept all the drones. Defense systems fully inoperative in Odesa and Kharkiv. For the past 7 days, Ukraine has been facing a new and extremely dangerous challenge. In key cities such as Odesa and Kharkiv, air defense systems have become completely non-functional, allowing most Russian attacks to succeed. When Ukrainian military engineers inspected the systems, it became clear that the air defense infrastructure had been deliberately sabotaged. Russian agents inside the military? Fears of intelligence leaks. Following these revelations, panic spread throughout the Ukrainian military. Personnel stationed at air defense units were subjected to intense questioning, while NATO experts were also consulted. After 7 days of investigations, Ukrainian intelligence agencies suspect that Russian agents are operating within the military, hacking air defense systems and leaking sensitive information about troop movements and operational plans to Russia. Evidence has emerged of intentional damage to radar systems, missile sensors, and launch mechanisms. Pressure from Belarus direction, attacks on residential areas. Meanwhile, Ukraine's provinces have also been shaken by attacks from the Belarusian direction. Russian forces have begun targeting not only infrastructure, but also weapons depots. Attacks in Dnipro and Kharkiv struck residential areas, resulting in widespread destruction, thousands of displaced civilians, and buildings engulfed in flames. Russia's objective: destroy U.S. and European weapons. Russia's clear objective is to completely eliminate U.S. and European weapons present in Ukraine. This is why Kyiv, Kharkiv, and other major cities remain primary targets. Kharkiv was struck by 4 Iskander-M missiles, while